Welcome viewers, let's discuss tips for managing money as a couple, strategies for financial harmony today. Managing money as a couple requires open communication, shared goals, and mutual respect. Here are some tips and strategies to help couples achieve financial harmony. 1. Communicate openly. Schedule regular money talks to discuss financial goals, priorities, and concerns openly and honestly. Be transparent about your financial situation, including income, debts, and spending habits. 2. Set shared goals. Identify shared financial goals, such as buying a home, saving for retirement, or taking a vacation, and work together to develop a plan to achieve them. Having common goals can strengthen your financial partnership and motivate you to work towards shared objectives. 3. Establish a budget. Create a joint budget that outlines your income, expenses, savings, and debt obligations. Allocate funds for essential expenses, savings contributions, debt repayment, and discretionary spending, taking into account both partners' needs and priorities. 4. Define financial roles. Clarify each partner's responsibilities and roles in managing finances, such as paying bills, tracking expenses, and monitoring accounts. Determine who will handle specific financial tasks and decisions, but ensure both partners are involved and informed. 5. Maintain individual autonomy. While joint finances are important for shared goals, it's also essential to maintain some degree of individual autonomy. Allow each partner to have discretionary spending money or personal accounts for hobbies and personal expenses to foster independence and prevent resentment. 6. Set spending limits. Agree on spending limits for discretionary purchases and establish guidelines for when to consult each other before making significant financial decisions. Respect each other's spending boundaries and avoid making major purchases without prior discussion and agreement. 7. Plan for emergencies. Build an emergency fund together to cover unexpected expenses or financial setbacks. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a joint emergency savings account to provide financial security and peace of mind. 8. Be transparent about debt. Be honest about any existing debts or financial obligations, such as student loans, credit card debt, or car loans. Work together to develop a plan to pay off debts efficiently and avoid accumulating additional debt in the future. 9. Schedule regular financial check-ins. Schedule periodic financial check-ins to review your progress toward goals, track spending, and adjust your budget as needed. Use these check-ins as an opportunity to celebrate achievements, address challenges, and make any necessary course corrections. 10. Plan for the future. Discuss long-term financial planning topics, such as retirement planning, estate planning, and insurance needs. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to help you develop a comprehensive financial plan that aligns with your shared goals and values. 11. Practice gratitude and appreciation. Express gratitude and appreciation for each other's contributions to your financial partnership. Celebrate milestones, achievements, and progress towards your shared goals, and acknowledge the importance of teamwork in achieving financial harmony. By implementing these tips and strategies, couples can foster financial harmony, strengthen their relationship, and work together towards a secure and prosperous financial future.